I wanted to work out if driving Empire's shown speed was actually what it says it was. So what I did was I took a clip of me driving between two positions and taking the distance from the Outlaws hideout, which is literally the only spot on the map that will give me a distance, and use these as side A and side B of a triangle. Throughout the whole clip, I maintained 110 kilometers per hour. Now, the recording was taken at 60 frames per second. There is 364 frames that are within the clip. 364 divided by 60 is 6.067 seconds. What is the distance, though? Well, the first way I tried to do it was I had a look at the map and I looked at the length of the sides. Now, there's not enough here to work with, and this is not a right angled triangle. So what I did instead was pulled out a digital protractor and just took a long shot at every single angle. Angle B being 71 degrees, angle C being 75 degrees, and angle A being 34. These all check out as angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equivalent to 180 degrees. Now, initially, I would have used this formula. And what I wanted then was someone to verify that this was in fact correct. So I talked to this guy. Shout out to this guy, by the way. He was a great help using the sine rule, where every side length over their respective angle must be equivalent to each other, which is 2r. Did not go well. We had three different 2r values. So instead, we made the sides consistent with the average by adding each of these 2r values together and dividing by 3. This resulted in this value here, which we then times by the sine of angle, which resulted in these new lengths. Now, these lengths are more correct than the lengths that are provided by Driving Empire, as they actually provide decimals and not just whole numbers. Because through all that calculation, we work out every side, we just shove the sides into here and use side C's length as the one we want, as it's what we drove. So we get 213.887685.422 meters over 6.066666667 seconds, which is 6 seconds and 4 frames, resulting in 35.256210988 meters a second. And if we convert that to kilometers an hour, we get 126.92236 to 7774 kilometers an hour. Around about 13.33% faster than the expected speed, which was 110 kilometers an hour, meaning that in Driving Empire, you will actually be going around about 13.33% faster than the speed saved.